guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing a house tour. So if you want to see more, then please keep on watching. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Keisha. I am a Pinay Ukrn. I am based here in Darby. And I share random videos about my life here. And I also have shared my road to become a Ukrn. So if you haven't been subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. And if you've been following me for quite some time now, so you know that I used to live in a studio apartment. So last month, actually, end of August, we just moved into a new house kasi medyo masikip na doon. So we decided to move to a new house. So ngayon, I'm gonna tour you around. So yung house na nakuha pala namin is a 3-bedroom house. And medyo mahal siya. Pero okay lang din kasi maganda naman yung location niya. It's located 20 minutes from the hospital and 15 minutes to 20 minutes to the city center. So, gusto ko yung ganong klaseng distance lang kasi I get to walk. Hindi ko kailangan sumakay every time. Sumasakay lang ako kapag yung alam ko magiging busy ako sa duty or if marami akong dalang groceries. This house is near sa bus stop. So, at least I can ride the bus if gusto kong mag-bus lang coming to work. And, amount ng binabayaran naming rent is 910 pounds. That includes gas, electric, and water. So, hindi included yung council tax. And what's good about this house is, I think this used to be a house share. Pero since dalawa lang kami ni Carlo na nandito, they didn't let anyone else take the other rooms. Kasi may isang masters, tapos may dalawang parang regular na double rooms. So, medyo malaki yung bahay just for the two of us. So, without further ado, itutour ko na kayo. So, samahan niyo ako mag-tour sa aming new house. So, ito yung main door. So, pagpasok mo, you'll come into a hallway. So, ang maganda lang dito is, although malapit siya sa tabi ng kalsada, hindi masyadong maingay. So, ito yung hallway leading to an upstairs and all the rest of the house. So, ayan siya. As you could see, pag inopen mo siya, ayan na siya. So, kalsada na siya agad. So, okay lang naman din siya sa akin. I don't mind na nasa tabi siya ng kalsada. So, eto. So, may radiator dyan. All the radiators are working. So, the first room dito, actually, this is the downstairs bedroom. So, I think it was meant to be a living room. Pero, ginawa lang nilang room. Kasi, parang nga maging house share siya. So, dito kami natulog after we moved in. So, ayan. So, meron siyang bed. Everything is included. So, meron siyang double bed. Tapos, meron din heater. Then, wala kaming mga side tables. So, yung improvise lang, may kahon, tapos may table. So, eto yung first na room sa downstairs. So, dito kami natulog kasi parang medyo nag-a-adjust kami. So, ayoko muna, sabi ko kay Carlo, ayoko muna matulog sa taas. Pero, as we stay longer in this house, baka matulog na rin kami sa taas. So, this next door is the living room. So, wala siyang dining area. So, what we did is we just improvised. Wala kasing dining tables. So, we just took this, galing to dun sa taas na bedroom. This is meant to be a study table along with that chair. Pero since wala nga kaming dining, so dyan kami kumakain. So, the sofas are included. So, leather sofa. So, bumili ako ng seat cover from Amazon. So, it has this shelf. So, yeah. This is one of my favorite things in this house. So, yan. So, meron kaming lagayan ng mga ganyan. So, eto yung kabuuan ng living room. So, merong isang 3-seater and isang 2-seater na sofa. And then, the TV is included. So, yung PS amin yun. So, dinala pa yan ni Carlo from Saudi. So, so yan. May TV kami dyan. And then there's a window out here. Meron siyang garden. It's a shared garden kasi this is a detached. Ano man tawag doon? Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag doon. Hindi siya semi-detached. It's like a terraced house na may bakuran. So, yan. So, ito yung common area, living room. So, now we go on to the kitchen. So, ito yung kitchen. So, medyo makalat pa siya. Mga pangwalis. So, the ref is included. So, medyo mataas yung ref. So, if you could see me, ito yung ref. So, I'm not sure if that's a 7 feet na ref. Then, there's a washer. Tapos, may built-in na oven and hob. Tapos, ito, amin yan. The microwave's included. Tapos, ayan. So, kita mo yung kapitbahay mong naghuhugas. So, what I do sometimes is I open this cupboard para hindi naman kitang-kita yung mukha ko pag naghuhugas ako dito. Pero, I don't mind. Naglagay sila ng curtains. I think we could put some curtains in here. Pero, okay lang naman. At least madaming light na pumapasok. Kasi ayoko ng madilim na room. So, yan. Keep calm and carry on cooking. So, this is one of my favorite things here in the house. So, favorite spot ko tong kitchen. So, dito sa kitchen, merong door that leads to the downstairs cellar. So, wala naman kaming gagawin dyan kasi the boiler's upstairs and yung electric naman is sila yung nagbabayad. So, we don't need to go down the cellar. So, ayan siya. So, medyo spacious siya for just 2 people. So, okay din, maganda. It feels homey. Sabi ko nga kay Carlo, it feels homey. So, yung feeling mo na pag uuwi ka, alam mo na uuwi ka sa bahay. Unlike if you're living in a studio, medyo masikip. So, although lagi kami nagkikita, pero at least we have room to just relax kasi we could sit in the sofa. Tapos, pwedeng umakyat kami sa isa sa mga rooms and dun kami magbasa or if we need to study or for something. So, ganun. So, let's go now to the upstairs bedroom. So, pag akyat mo, the first thing that you would see is the bath. So, eto yung banyo. So, bilang Pinoy, may patimba tayo dyan ng tabo. So, meron siyang bathtub, shower, then may salamin. So, yan. So, medyo empty lang yung banyo namin kasi ayoko ng maraming mga abubot sa banyo. So, okay na yan. Okay na ako with the setup. Then, there's a hallway. So, ang daming hallway, diba? Kasi ang daming kwarto. So, there's another bedroom in here. So, dito sa bedroom na to, ito yung ginagawa namin na sampayan. And my stuff are all here. So, kasi meron siyang window. So, madaling matutuyo yung mga damit namin. Ayoko kasi sa labas. Pwede naman kami mag-set up ng sampayan sa labas. Pero, pag kasi sa labas, the weather here in England is very unpredictable. So, hindi mo alam kung kailan uulan. Ayoko nung parang sa Pilipinas na tatakbo ka para kunin yung mga sinampay mo kasi mababasa. So, yan. So, ito yung parang wardrobe / tambakan kasi andyan yung mga supplies namin. My stuff are all here. May bed dito and a dresser. So, the dresser is included. So, yan. So, maganda lang dito is we'll never run out of dressers and cupboards to put our stuff in. So, eto yung second bedroom. Then, on to the master's bedroom. So, dito sa master's bedroom kasi, gusto sana namin dito na matulog. Pero meron siyang off na smell. I don't know if it's coming from the carpet. So, I set up the diffuser there para mawala yung off na smell. Kasi, hindi ko gusto yung amoy. I don't know if it's coming from these wood, cabinets. So, yan. So, ang laki-laki ng cabinet. So, pwedeng maglagay ng mga stuff dyan na mga hindi namin masyadong ginagamit. Yung mga damit ni Carlo is on this cupboard. So, meron ding isang double bed dito. So, magdi-decide kami if dilipat na kami this month sa bedroom na to or hindi. Kasi this is near to the bathroom. Kasi ang hirap naman nung iihi ka in the middle of the night, then akit ka pa sa hagdan, mahulog pa kami. Kasi inaantok pa kami. So, this is the master's bedroom. So, as you could see, ang luwag-luwag niya for just 2 people. And meron siyang ganito. So, kasama na yan dyan. Hindi ko na yan binili. So, it's a nice house. So, medyo malaki siya. And there's an additional room. So, I don't know if we're gonna use it or we're just gonna keep it. So, meron siyang attic. So, this is the staircase leading to the attic. So, hindi kami umaakyat dito very often. Kasi nga, takot ako sa heights, una. And there's nothing to see. So, yan lang naman siya. So, there's an attic. So, maganda kasi may mga outlets din. There's additional storage. Pero I don't think we'll use this as a storage. It could be, kung gusto ko sigurong mag-stretching. Pero I don't think I could exercise in here. So, mga yoga-yoga lang. Kasi maganda, meron siyang sunroof. I don't go up here very often kasi nahihirapan akong bumaba kasi the stairs are steep. So, yan. So, yun lang yung house tour namin. So, it's not a modern house. Parang medyo luma na yung bahay. Pero, maluwag siya. Parang yung aura niya is hindi naman siya yung creepy vibes na lumang mga English houses. So, maganda siya and although medyo mahal siya, pero hindi mo kasi mababayaran din. Yung feeling of satisfaction na uuwi ka sa bahay na comfortable and yun, marirelax ka. Sabi nga ni Carlo, iba daw yung feeling niya pag umuwi dito unlike dun kami sa studio house. I don't know if we're gonna stay here for long. Ang tenancy namin is up until June next year. So, we'll see how it goes kasi it's very hard to move houses. Pero so far, we're liking the place. Ang ayaw ko lang are the lights. So, as you could see, the lights are warm. Hindi ko lang tawag dyan, warm white ba? Yung medyo madilaw yung ilaw, nadidiliman ako. So, what we did is we changed one of the lights. So, yung sa living room, pinalitan namin yan ng white kasi gusto ko white yung ilaw. So, medyo mataas. Thinking of how we can go about changing the rest. Maybe we will ask help from the landlord para ma-change siya. Pero, yun. Pero so far, okay naman ako. Natutuwa ako kasi nakalipat na kami. Although it's expensive, mahal siya. Pero dalawa naman kaming nagwo-work. We can help each other out with the bills. And yun nga, maluwag. And we can invite our friends over. We had a housewarming the other day. And hindi naman nag-complain yung neighbor na maingay kami. So, I don't know if pag mas maraming tao, mas maingay. Pero, yun, okay lang naman. Okay naman yung house. So, hopefully, the next time I move is mortgaged house na. So, yun yung forever house namin. Kasi we really plan to stay here for good. We are planning to get a British passport. So, hopefully, makakuha kami ng British passport. And we plan to stay here for long. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. I hope nagustuhan nyo. Hindi naman masyado siyang very detailed na house tour. I just wanna show you kung ano na yung itsura ng bahay namin ngayon. Hindi pa siya talagang sobrang ayos na ayos. Pero ayoko na kasing bumili ng masyadong maraming gamit kasi if we decide not to stay here, then dami na naman namin dadalhin. So, mostly essentials lang. So, yun lang yung video ko for today. Please hit the like button if you like videos like this. Comment down below if nung klaseng house yung pinag-stayan nyo dito in the UK. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!